First of all, I usually just kind of set up all of the mundane things. So I turn on the dishwasher, I preheat the pots so that we can get some drip coffee going. Come out here and I usually just start prepping my station. I'll get the syrups out. I will make sure I've got enough milk, got enough cups for the day, got enough stock. And then I'll come over here and I'll see what I need to prepare myself to dial in for. So I like to fill these hoppers. We've got Peru Jorge Chavez on our espresso today. We're starting our Colombia Willow today on reserve. So we're gonna dial in a fresh bag. So I preheated these pots this morning just to make sure they're ready for our drip coffee to go in. Usually we do a classic roast and an avant-garde, which is typically your dark and your light. So that's gonna brew for 5 minutes, and while it's brewing, I'm gonna go back to the espresso machine. So I always start with dialing in the standard because it's gonna be our most popular espresso that we're gonna use all day. Just gonna measure this guy out, and I'm aiming for about 18 grams as my dosage. We're gonna flatten this guy and tamp it out to make sure it pulls a nice shot. So I'm finding it to be kind of salty, which gives you a good indicator that it's going to be a little under extracted. That tells me I want to reset my grind. I find it really enjoyable to just sit with the espresso and take my time dialing in. It's looking really good. It smells a little bit different from the first time, so I know I might be going in the right direction. And from that, I'm getting a smoother shot. And I'm just gonna mark that for all the other baristas that come in today, and they know how to pull that shot at the exact same parameters that I did. Typically before we open, we get half of our bakery order. Our bakery is located at our Commons location. Everything is made fresh daily. Our bakers start early in the morning so that we can serve our top quality pastries. They smell phenomenal. You get the usual, you doing a matcha or? We're really starting to pick up. It's about that time of the morning when everyone's hitting their commutes. We've also got a lot of online orders rolling in. Yeah, have a good day. I like this part of the job when I can just stand in the corner and multitask. And there's usually like a line of tickets and I just kind of zone out. It's my thinking time. Alyssa and I work together a lot, so we're pretty good at just switching out. We just kind of bump around each other, and I feel like it works out pretty efficiently in that way. I like to introduce people to just a simple cappuccino if it's their first time, but we like to kind of ask people what they typically will make themselves at home. We can always just cultivate something that they'll love. I'm Kaylee, and I'm a barista at Methodical Coffee.